What's up, adventurers? I hate to do y'all like this today, but we're just gonna have one camera view because I'm a moron. And we're fishing in a tsunami too. It's gonna be kind of windy. I thought I'd get out of it where I'm at, but I'm not. Bring y'all along, got Bobby out here behind me. Try and talk him into getting the camera. We'll bring you back when we start catching a few fish. Look at Bobby over there stunting. Catching them donkeys. That's his second one today. Bobby, holler, it's a whale for me one time.
Man, that's a whale. Dirty crawl.
What do you think, OWA? It's a whale.
That's a whale. I get some hits. That or I'm hitting the hell out of them damn lily pads.
Well, this whole place was lily pads.
Yeah.
They couldn't even get a boat in and out of here this summer.
Oh, no.
Right there where you're at, there was a little...
I don't know what... Told you, there's fish in here. Hey, they're snapping at it, man, because he's hooked on the bottom of his gill plate.
Is that a spot?
No, he ain't no spot.
There's plenty of them on this lake.
I knew I was getting bites out here, they're just hitting them.
Y'all gonna watch a video entirely of Bobby's catches.
Yeah, baby.
Y'all know how I am. I don't catch them unless they're over 3 pounds. Dude.
Dirty crawl.
Where the fish at?
Hey, I got one.
Look at Bobby tearing them up.
He's a good one, man.
On his little red custom crankbait. Y'all gonna get to see a video, ain't nothing but Bobby. About 3 pounder, ain't it? 2.
2.5 probably. They're short striking it, man. This is on the outside.
They just swatted at it and got hit.
Swatting at it.
Yeah. Water warm up a little bit, they'll change their mind.
Yeah, they're just swatting at it.
Yeah, Bobby drug us out here early in the morning, 12 degrees outside, to catch dinks all day.
That's a fat one. He's got some little bit of weight to him.
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, I know where we at. We over here at Lone Star.
Got the dirty craw going.
With his custom bait.
Custom bait. See? I don't know if they can see it.
Yeah, probably. That's a better fish.
Woo! Dirty craw, baby.
Bobby's showing out. They ain't wanting but one thing. That's that little ugly crawl bait he's got.
Let's go. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Nice little fish. One little hook. It's crazy. Tomorrow, I bet you it's going to be better.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
Oh, yeah. I know it will. Heats up and don't cool down tonight.
In the morning, it's supposed to be cold again in the morning.
It ain't gonna be near as cold as it was this morning.
It ain't?
No.
Come on, put your tail down.
Alright. Y'all have witnessed the Bobby show today. He caught every fish. Oh, how many did you catch?
6.
6.
6. What's up, guys?
Oh, Big John, 0. First time this year. I'm sure there'll be many more of them. First time I've 0'd this year, though. Wind dies down as we get to the ramp. Oh well, I'll be back out here tomorrow. Try it again. All right, y'all know what to do right here. Like, share, subscribe, and be adventurous.